Hello everyone, looking for a simple yet satisfying curry recipe? This tomato curry is quick, easy to make and bursting with flavor. The addition of fresh spring onions adds a wonderful dimension, and using homemade masalas ensures a truly authentic taste. Let me show you how it's done. Let's get started. First we are chopping green chilies, 1 onion, bundling fresh spring onions, cu- cut coriander and ripe tomatoes. I also peeled some fragrant curry leaves. In a pan, we will heat 3 tablespoons of oil, then add 1 tablespoon each of cumin and mustard seeds. Let them sizzle for about a minute. Now in go the chopped chilies, onion, spring onions, let them saute and add curry leaves. Add pinch of salt to turn a golden brown color. Add coriander leaves. Next we will add a tablespoon of turmeric and some ginger garlic paste. Cooking for another minute to release those amazing aromas. Time for chopped tomatoes. We will stir everything together and let the curry simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Finally, we will add salt 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoon of chili powder, and stir for 1 to 2 minutes. And we will add coriander powder and fenugreek cumin powder half tablespoon. Cooking for just minute or two more. A sprinkle of fresh coriander leaves for garnish. And that's it. Our tasty and delicious tomato spring onion curry is ready to serve.